ICD-10 CM JJ-10B Guidelines, page 049, part 5.
2. Format and structure continued.
We are continuing the instructions for how is the format and structure of all the codes in ICD-10 CM, right? So it says that 3-character category that has no further subdivision is equivalent to a code, which means that if you find just a 3-character category, that's considered a code, right? So the next one is
Subcategories are either 4 or 5 characters.
Right. You have the categories, which are the first 3 characters, and then if you find more characters, those are subcategories, right? So the subcategories, the codes may be 3, 4, or the codes may be 3, which is just a category. Now, if there are more characters, 4, 5, 6, or 7, it means that it has subcategories, right?
Right.
That is, each level of subdivision after a category is a subcategory, right?
Right.
And the last line?
The final level of subdivision is a code.
Right. There's the number 7 level. It's called here an extension right here, and that is also called a code. Okay? So that is the structure that all the codes for ICD-10 CM have. Okay? So this is our theory for today, and now we're going to do a problem. So ready, set, go. All right. It's ICD-10 JJ-10A. This is page 364, exercise 13, and this is a level 0 exercise, which means that it's easy, very easy to do it. All you do is just go to the index, find the diagnosis, get the code, and then just verify it in the tabular, and everything is straightforward, right? So it reads like this.
Okay.
The diagnosis, right?
Yes. Down syndrome.
Down syndrome. So we ask you to find the code for Down syndrome, okay, the ICD-10 CM code for Down syndrome, okay? So we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and then give us the ICD-10 CM code for Down syndrome. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the code is Q90.9. You got that? Q90.9, okay? Now, if you didn't get it, let's give you a tip. The tip is?
So level 0, go to the given diagnosis.
Go to the given diagnosis. And there's just one thing that you should know.
If there are no additional information, it is unspecified.
It is unspecified, right. If you don't get anything else in your problem, just Down syndrome, then it means there's no other details, there's no other specification. So it's unspecified. So from the list, choose the unspecified, okay? So with this tip, you should be able to get the path to the answer. The answer is, you already know, is Q90.9, but now we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and then give us the path, how we got to the answer, okay? So 1, 2, 3, okay? The summary of the problem is, this is to find the ICD-10 CM code for Down syndrome. There's only one code, and the code number 1 through the index is found like this.
First, we go to index.
Go to the index.
Then we go to down.
You start with Down.
Then we go to syndrome.
You go to syndrome, and you get
Q90.9.
Q90.9. Now we're going to check this code in the tabular. So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First, you go to tabular. Then you go to Down syndrome.
Okay.
Q90.
Q90. And now, since there's no more specifications, as we told you in the tips, we have to choose unspecified. That's the only thing that you have to know. It's not very difficult because unspecified means there's no more specifications, right? So Q90.9 would be
unspecified.
Unspecified, and that's where we have the equal sign, which means that we have double check our code. So the answer is Q90.9. That's our answer, okay? So thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website, and also
you could subscribe to us to in YouTube by clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
Right, just click in the red rectangle that says subscribe and you'll get
up to 3 videos every day that we make, ICD-10s, CPTs, all that is needed to pass the medical coding certification exams.
Okay, so don't forget to visit our website and subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.